This is the first time we present in public the new 6500 and 6000 series ColorWorks products. The new products is 4 new models. 2 of them are 4-inch and 2 of them are 8-inch wide. And we have an option for an auto cutter or an option for a peeler. In fact, it's the world's first for an inkjet label printer with a peeler function. The capabilities for the peeler function can be that it can be used in a apply by hand, peel and present apply by hand scenario, but also if you integrate it with an applicator, you can have automated labeling functionalities. The new models, they're made for industrial use. They have a metallic chassis. They're designed so that you can load media very easily for multiple ways. So you can lift the cover from the front to the bottom, but you can lift it entirely. You can load and unload and change media in a matter of seconds. You can load paper from the rear. On top of that, it comes with a big LCD screen which has all the information about the ink status and also the type of the material, the media that is loaded, and it can give you an update on how much media is left inside the printer. It comes with 4 ink cartridges, 80 milliliters of capacity, and the maximum resolution is 1200 by 1200.